Here is a quick overview to help identify whether your current or future automatic swing gate installation is safe and maintained correctly. It is estimated that only about 30% of the automated gates in the UK are installed to regulation standards. Importantly, this may mean that many gates in the UK could be potentially dangerous. Whether an owner, occupier, landlord, or installer, you have a legal responsibility for the safety of your own powered gate. It is always recommended that a competent expert is used to check and service automatic gates on a regular basis. The level of competence and expertise of anyone working on electric gates should always be checked. In this video, we will go through some parts of a gate system that can be identified as possible dangers or hazards, and to help you identify if your gate is currently safe and is being serviced adequately. Powered gates can have several points in their system where objects or people can get caught, crushed, hit or trapped. Here are examples of such points and how, with proper safety equipment, hazard points can be avoided. Number 1. Being hit by a moving gate. In this example, we have a basic swinging leaf setup, and to avoid crushing points, the path behind the gate has been cleared of curbs and other obstructions. A safety edge is in place on one leaf, and the gate has been offset to open with a delay on the second leaf. Our crash dummy is in place at the gate's closing point, and as the leaf comes into contact with him, the gate responds and reverses its path until resting in the open position. Number 2. Being caught or trapped by moving in stationary parts. In the second example, we have a gate set up on a sideways incline. The gate's structure is designed to fit the uneven ground, but creates a large gap under the gates when open. This changes in size according to the gate's position. This could cause serious harm, including the crushing of the body or head, as the gap under the gate reduces in size on closing. Safety edges have been placed at the bottom of the gate to prevent anything getting caught in the lower gap as it closes. Our crash dummy has fallen into the path of the gate. As the gate closes, the gap below shrinks. Before the gate can crush or drag them, the edge comes into contact with the body and sends the gate in reverse. Number 3. Being crushed against or trapped by an obstacle. Fitting a gate isn't always straightforward. Sometimes obstructions and other factors increase the need for safety devices. One such example is of a gate built into an entrance with L-shaped corners. These create a crushing area in the path of the gate. In some situations, it may not be a wall, but even a slim obstacle, such as a lamppost, can pose a risk if it lies in the gate's path. Some hinge areas can also shrink, creating more crushing points. Most powered gates are located outside, where the elements can affect structure, integrity, and safety at any time. Gates that haven't been secured against strong wind forces can be blown over or rotate uncontrollably around hinges. Other important things to look out for are cracks, bends, defective welding, and suitability in the structure of the gate, especially in the supportive hinge and post area. Water ingress or damage to cabling, control boxes, and the connections between components may result in the risk of an electric shock or failure to operate safely. Regular safety evaluations and force tests assure your gate's dependability and adherence to the regulation standards. We recommend setting up a regular maintenance contract with your supplier.